Ebusuya wa okaba bion fambra Ghana and Sem TV so me ne woka say dey Billion-Armah Kofi Buah a minister for lands and natural resources. The betu just say you be here 10 billion $10 billion and say betimi afight Galamsey say and no dey nsem no etuja. Ebusuya obekaya honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan e can say he doesn't need to be president to effect changes in people's life. Say no dey nsem no etuja e Paul Adumochi show ni so.
Honorable Kennedy Japan has talked about if he's president, does he want to be president?
I don't.
Okay, at least you got the answer before you left. So you don't want to be president?
I don't.
There are wild rumors that you might be running for the NPP's flag bearers.
I have said that you don't need to be president to effect change in people's lives. So whatever I'm doing in my own small...
But you need power. You need MP, you need minister, you need that. You can do it better if you're a minister.
I donated to 37, not
yes,
because
I was going to talk about
I'm a member of parliament.
$100,000. But you are the chairman of the security.
Busuya, and the question Ebusa Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan today and say, at the 1990 he wants to be president before he can effect changes in people's life. That's a very simple question, Ebusa. No. So when know then there is no need for him to be the president because he said he doesn't need to be the president to effect changes in people's life. And I said, he really meant whatever he was saying. And say, and there will be catch there say you need to be president before you can make any changes or effect any changes in people's life. Yeah, that's just say you'll be no crowd for one kind of crazy and say, to make a and draw, then no one can be. You have to make sure say you are consistent, you are making sure everything that you say it's always on point and it's always the same. You can't say A today and the next day the same question they ask you and you say B. Yes, Anna. Who you will be on your true leader? Who yes, I know you'll be on kind of cre. That's how on kind of no. You ain't man in your mind anymore. And don't see. So what can I say? You don't need to be president to effect changes in people's life. Yeah, and then my question yes, sir, because we don't even need you to be the president of the Republic of Ghana. You are not someone we can consider to be a president of this country. It's Ebusuya. In some and actually say okoti mobile no. Na ye nwa no mo TikTok nso e de nsem bi aba betu jo mo kire say. So we NDC na koto aba ma John Dramani Mahama na aban. Some of Baba fight Galamsey there, and the main country say, "Nadia, a possible." Say no more, no more than some no. To your platform no. Eso.
Chemicalization here 200 million.
To get the water and our environment back to the you almost said only.
Na 200 million every 10 billion. And as 200 billion,
10 billion in new budget. You already have only to fight Galamsey. Yes, you need the environment na Galamsey non amana say ne there. Here $200 million to do it.
Ghana ni a woto waba ma NDC. So we are normal NDC member, I feel sorry for you. And let me ask you, and I'm me feel sorry ma. Omu didi wa aban mu sisi a no ho. Omu vote ye baako. Omu vote is just one. Wono a wokoto waba no. Unsu vote just one. As I'm talking to you now, so wa mia wani na so wa mbomode ampa ban ni mu anwura enya sika ni bi ani within the next 4 years unya hwe wo NDC aban no. The party is not in. Ese ye beye bibi di aboa. I am telling you for free. Party ni nye na dwen se omu beye bibi e di aboa. As I'm speaking to you, party is not interested to help anybody. So I will give you a very good advice. As an NDC member who campaign for NDC member, position yourself strategically. Send your beya sika bebrebe na ye wia no benya bi. Because me know waka say sika ne de, whether you would want to admit it or not, dia ya na aye. Galamsey no or pepana de fight Galamsey no. NDC doesn't have it. NDC is not willing to fight Galamsey. NDC cannot fight Galamsey. So, Mr. Felix, it's unfortunate, but this is where we are. This is where we've gotten to. Baby, I drew any.
The sad thing, as you say, I get.
Mr. Felix, please take over. I'm coming.
You see,
I think so. You're logging it out. Okay. He's calling me, maybe.
Okay. You see, the sad thing about it for me right now, and then they say, like, yes, you say, when it's here. aban no car so about this state of emergency beba na na waka tro say ontumi for state of
no credit so wonimu a ba kope from day one we catch you say there is no way the NDC ebetimi affect Galamsey but once Ghana ha na ye wono empempi no aya na ye kan asem kire ya ye ntie san say yaso ye din yes yaso ye din but obi oya no krafo bia no knew from day one say there is no way the NDC government ebetimi fight Galamsey. But we told you people several times, countless times, say these people are not ready and they don't have the ways and means to fight illegal mining. Today, they are telling you that before they can fight this illegal mining, they are going to need $10 billion. This is a real fact to let you understand that there is no way they can fight Galamsey. There is no way they can fight Galamsey because basically there is no way they are going to get $10 billion. And in that sense, there is no way they can fight Galamsey. So if you voted for the NDC for them to come and fight Galamsey, then why a mistake? Because these people are not ready and would never ever fight Galamsey, especially when Omankasano, Omonkofonibi are involved in a Galamsey at Seyakoso Busunyano and Yasem Ketua. You know, currently the MP for our win constituency, Ofori Labi, on 29th of January 2025, a report from Erasto Tasari Donko said that the man who is a member of parliament for the constituency is involved in illegal mining. In fact, later on, no, Kuom Wonomankasa for a traditional council of our own constituency, Edba Bontin said, our win a year MP, Oscar Ofori Labi, is involved in Galamsey, Omo Etra, a Yemoja Kragun, Somo Tranesu, a different Kronemo. This is to tell you that the NDC people are involved in Galamsey. But I say, Joseph Yamin is also alleged say or you're involved in Galamsey. And also investigation Eguswa Ekoso Ewo Joseph Yamin and so Edienemo. And also this is clear fact to let you understand that the NDC as a government never thought of fighting Galamsey. Yes, they don't have any ways and means on the fighting Galamsey meanings now. Say Ekoso Ebusunya aya would have said Ghana for ne bebre no enu am ho say ye ka kire omo no manye den no mo nti na so panifo say ye tufu na wanti a wo ye den wo kwante ade enu nti no ende akoba ne sa na aba ne sa the only person na ubetimi person ubetimi ablame no the NDC aban and the people that believed that they could solve Galamsey and they went to the polls on December 7th 2024 mkokoto abama omo and omaye omo because we told you that these people have no intentions of fighting this illegal mining. We know they be ano. Aya ukan one seven no. And then yen so na say your forest reserve na say in su na say the tebiti no the magnitude of ten na say na kosro very high. Actually say everything no are worse under this government, and this is a clear picture to let you understand that these people would never and ever fight illegal mining. And this is what is currently happening. 10 billion to stop illegal mining. What do you think? Do you think that this government is ready and willing to put their presidency and their party on the line? Say the MPP here in 2017, or Galamsey from 2017 to 2019, I announced MPP lose a lot of the seats in the illegal Galamsey or mining constituencies now. Are you sure that the National Democratic Congress is also ready to make sure say the same decision MPP take here, they will take the same decision now? I'm very, very sure that they are not going to do that. Yes, they will never do that because they think about their stomach, they don't think about the people, and that's the reason I catch you said the biggest mistake away here. And say you believed that the NDC is going to do something meaningful. So let us know what you think in the comment section. Do you think these people will solve Galamsey and that's almost solve Galamsey? Hi again on SMTV. I'm just so I promise.